Did you know that dogs can hear frequencies up to 65,000 hertz? That's 4 times higher than humans. While we struggle to catch sounds above 20,000 hertz, dogs pick up on high-pitched noises like a dog whistle or even the sound of a bat echolocating. This incredible hearing ability helps them detect subtle sounds in their environment, making them exceptional hunters and loyal companions. Imagine how much more they perceive in our world. So next time your dog perks up at something you can't hear, remember, they're tuned into a whole different frequency.